has his roof patched now, but his morning started with a lightning bolt. A neighbor's beating on his door, telling him his house was on fire. The lightning bolt came just after 7 o'clock this morning. Sand Springs Fire responded and put the fire out, but there was already substantial damage to the house. The fire was in the attic and the upper part of the house, but there's a lot of water damage throughout the rest of the house.
Hello, this is Dwayne Corvin. We're out here in Prattville where Mr. Plant's house got struck by lightning. Mr. Plant, what happened to your house?
Well, it was a bad Monday. First of all, we were just waking up. I was waking up. My wife said, "Do you smell some smoke? Or you smell something burning?" And I said, "No, not really." And so
I noticed you have dog bowls. Did everybody okay? The animals, the family, is everybody okay?
yes, they are. The dogs had to get herded out in the backyard while the fire department was here. And they were scared to death, but the firemen were really good about that. As a matter of fact, one of them was talking about saying, "I guarantee you, we'll take care of the dogs." It's been a pretty traumatic Monday. How was your Monday?
We're here to help you, Mr. Plant.
Well, you guys have been here, Johnny on the spot, keeping me informed, and really got a good thing going here about this because, I've been bombarding with questions. Question after question, and you've been able to answer all of them, and everything is going very smoothly, and I think we'll be in by tonight, right?
We'll get you in the dry tonight, sir.